In this video, I'll show you how to verify your card on DoorDash. All right. Now, when we go to our profile right here, all right, as you can see, we have the payment methods. Now, as you can see here, we have a ton of options. We have Google Pay. As you can see here, my Google Pay is currently tied to DoorDash. As you can see here, we have PayPal, credit or debit card, Venmo, Cash App, and any other payment methods. All right. Now, to be able to verify our card, we'll just need to verify our profile. All right. So in here, you're going to want to go to your account. Again, if you're lost, right here at the top right, go to your account and just tap on Manage Account. Now in here, as you can see, I have a first name and last name, the country code and the phone number. And it says here, I'll just need to verify my phone number. So if I were to verify my phone number and succeeded in it, all right. Now when you hit on verify right here, you'll be given a code from this particular number that is connected to your DoorDash. Just go ahead and get that and paste that in here. And once done, just hit on save. And after that, all your payment methods will be verified. That's basically how you do it. All right. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.